After the second week of carrying my protective hairstyle, my hair grew a lot thicker and longer. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I apply this hair mask on my hair. Trust me, your hair needs this food. You need to nourish your hair with this food. Check this hair mask out. Can you see? Welcome to the channel and please subscribe if you're new here. Alright, so after the second week of carrying my hairstyle, which is mini twist, I normally do what is called a cool wash. Cool wash entails not doing the deep washing, but you can use other things such as apple cider vinegar. You can also use shampoo, but before using all of that, I normally apply hair mask on my hair. You guys, take a look at this hair. It has actually grown. I wish the camera is doing justice, but it's not showing you guys the part of the hair that have grown from the root. So right now I'm going to saturate this hair with the hair mist. The link to how you can make yours is in the description box. I will saturate the entire scalp, the entire hair with the hair mist, then massage very well. But before then, let me show you all how I mix up the deep conditioning hair mask. First of all, you're going to get your favorite Starbucks deep conditioning hair mask. The one I use here is from Core Crown. The link to order your own hair mask will be in the description box. Just head over to their Instagram page and order yours. So I'm mixing this up with the Ayurvedic herbs such as, this is clove powder, this is moringa powder, and this is fenugreek powder. So I'll just eyeball it, just bit by bit. This is moringa, more of moringa because that's the one that helps to thicken the hair, that helps to fill in the hair. So use more of moringa powder. Okay, next is clove. I'm going to be adding the clove. Okay, make sure everything is properly mixed up, and if you notice your deep conditioning hair mask is very thick, please add a little warm water, or you can add fresh aloe vera. So the hair mask is ready. It's time to apply it. I'll be starting with the tea spray. You can also use warm water. You must not use the tea spray. However, if you use tea spray, you'll get better result because this tea spray is also made of Ayurvedic herbs, okay, such as fenugreek, moringa, neem, fennel, clove, chebe, okay, name it all. So many beneficial Ayurvedic herbs that will help your hair thrive to become stronger, much healthier, and much better. When you're done, massage your scalp very well, then proceed to applying the hair mask all over your hair. If you're wondering whether you are to apply this on your scalp, please do apply it on your scalp. Okay, your scalp will thank you a lot, especially if you have traction alopecia. Guys, the moment your scalp gets used to Ayurvedic herbs, it will start growing. I know some people will be like, they are not so sure of this, they don't know whether this is legit. I am a living testimony that Ayurvedic herbs work 100%. All you have to do is to be consistent. Again, consistent, and you will definitely see results. I can remember customers that are using Ayurvedic herbs on their hair. My customers, they are coming back to give me reviews that these things are helping. Although the rate of which the growth is coming up is quite slow, that's for those that have the traction alopecia, but they are actually seeing results. Except if you don't have traction alopecia, then the results you get will be kind of faster. But if you have alopecia, the result will be slow. It will be coming up, but it will be slow, which is better than nothing. Okay, so please be consistent with these Ayurvedic herbs, and I promise you that your hair will grow, especially with moringa and neem powder. Moringa powder alone can get your hair thicker, stronger, and much healthier, and neem powder alone too can also help your hair to be much healthier. All you just have to do is to be consistent with these herbs and your hair will definitely thrive. So when I'm done applying this hair mask everywhere, the next step is to massage and cover up for 40 minutes. You can even carry this for an hour. It's okay. If you have the steaming cap, please make use of it. It will help to enable the hair mask to penetrate very well. But if you don't have a steaming cap, the second option is that you can still cover your hair with a nylon or a shower cap. Then you get a towel big enough that can tie your hair around, or you can just get any shirt that you are not really using or you don't fancy anymore. Just tie your hair together and let it just sit for an hour and your hair will still come out fine. The conditioning hair mask will still penetrate very well. Okay, so these are just simple tips and tricks that can help you in the process of carrying your deep conditioning hair mask. All right, 40 minutes is over. It is time to rinse off this hair mask with cool water, then use the shampoo. The reason why I'm using cool water is because I don't want the hot water, or warm water rather, to strip off this the nutrients that this hair mask has given my hair. So using cool water will enable the moisture to be locked in. Okay, that's why I'm using cool water to rinse it off. Then I also used the shampoo to wash it in case of the smell, because the smell is not really pleasant. Remember, we used fenugreek, moringa and clove, especially fenugreek. It has very unpleasant smell. Yeah, so make sure to rinse very well. Make sure to use your shampoo, you scrub, be gentle with your scalp, especially if you have long nails, so that you not injure your scalp. Once you injure your scalp, it's going to cause a lot of irritation, so I don't think you want that. So very gentle, rinse it off and you move on to allowing this to dry. You guys, just check out my hair, how it's looking. My hair is so nourished, my hair is so moisturized, and I believe you also want that for your hair, right? So please just do the needful and your hair will thank you a lot. Growing hair is not that difficult as most people make it seem. You see, throughout this hair growth and length retention challenge we have been doing, I have not done something that you guys are seeing as a new thing. Everything I'm doing in this video or in my videos are something that most of you already know about. But one thing I keep on saying in all my videos is consistency and using the right herbs for your type of hair. Don't do because somebody is using rice water, you hop into using rice water. Rice water has its own negative side. I will not even advise you to use rice water on your hair, to be very honest. It's better for you to use rice hair mask, okay, on your hair. And the hair mask, you should use it once in a month or in 2 months. Those of you that want to use onion juice, you know, there's so many different things that people use to grow hair, but I'm telling you, they are not necessary. This is me showing you guys how I grow my hair. And now that it's already 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, I'm going to take down this mini twist, repeat the same procedure of washing it thoroughly with the shampoo, starting with a pre-poo. After pre-pooing it, then the shampoo, hair mask, do the mini twist again, a fresh mini twist. Okay, it's just like a cycle, nothing else. It's all about length retention, guys, except if you have health issues. That is when your hair will not grow properly or the growth will be stunted. That's why I say just eat very well, drink sufficient water, eat more proteins, vegetables, fruits. Take care of your hair from within. If you have problem with your scalp or with your health, go and see the doctor. They will tell you what to do before using hair products. Sometimes you'll be wasting your money buying hair products or wasting your time doing all this concoction you see on social media, but the problem is from within, or the problem is that you don't even understand your hair. So just do the necessary research and gain the knowledge you need before putting all sort of concoctions on your hair. Okay, so once we are done with the washing process, next step is to allow this to air dry a little bit. If you have hand dryer, please make use of it, but use the cool side, avoid the hot side. Some of you will tell me now that you have heat protectant, and even though you have heat protectant, don't use it all the time, you still damage your hair. So avoid heat at all costs. If you notice, in all my videos I've not shown you people how I'm using heat on my hair, right? Yes, because heat damages the hair. Even though you have to use heat protectant, not all the time. Please avoid heat. You can use heat once or twice in a year. Yeah, I'm not mistaking my words. In a year. Avoid excessive use of heat, okay? Right, so use the cool side of the hand dryer to dry your hair, or you can just air dry your hair like the way I always do in my videos. And after I'm done air drying it, next is just to moisturize. You all know the normal moisturizing routine, the LCO method. So just sprinkle the tea spray, or if your hair is still a little bit damp, you just move to the process of using the leave-in conditioner, then the hair growth oil. Okay, it's very simple, guys. So I really hope this video helped you all to learn more or learn a lot about your hair. Please stay tuned. Tomorrow, which is the next day, we are not going to be doing anything on our hair, since the hair is fully moisturized, and this moisture is going to last for about 2 days. So I'm going to meet you guys on the day 16th of the hair growth challenge, and on that day we are only going to be moisturizing the scalp with the hair growth oil and nothing serious. So just in case I don't show up on that day, please just note that it's only to use the hair growth oil, although I will show up. All right, I'm just like telling you guys, in case you don't want to watch the video or wait for me to upload the video, just go on and use your hair growth oil all over your scalp. Massage very well, be very, very gentle when handling your hair, please. And yeah, that is it. Please do well to subscribe if you're new, share to your loved ones, okay? And yeah, follow up on Instagram, TikTok, the Brenda Okolocha. In case you want to order the hair products displayed in the video, you can also send a DM through Brenda Okolocha or my business page called Crown, and I will get the product delivered to you as soon as possible. If you're wondering if these products work for kids, yes, they work for kids. However, you have to be very careful with the amount of herbs you put in your mixture, okay? Kids scalp is very, very sensitive, so slow it down with the quantity of herbs you put. And yeah, that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Share love, share your love by liking the video, please. It really helps my YouTube channel to go far. Yes, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. See you all later.